This is Mandani Bay Quay, the first mixed-use enclave in Mandani Bay, Asia's next waterfront destination. Located along F.E.'s Willig Avenue in Mandaue City, Mandani Bay Quay gives its homeowners maximum access to and from the city. The enclave has 3 residential buildings, 1 office tower, and at the center, the active zone, its exclusive amenity deck filled with outdoor spaces and features that help tenants keep an active, healthy lifestyle. Mandani Bay Quay completes its 4-tower cluster with a new residential building, Mandani Bay Quay Tower 3. This tower, which offers a beautiful view of the sunset, has 36 floors. The ground level holds the residential lobby and is host to retail. Ground level parking is for retail customers and visitors, and the basement and second levels are for residents. 27 levels are dedicated to the residential units. These residences are classified into standard, garden, and penthouse. The penthouse units are the biggest units and offer the most expansive views. The garden units each have an outdoor space that can be used to create a garden or alfresco dining area. The standard units, studio, studio plus, and 1-bedroom residences are fully furnished. This is a first in Mandani Bay. The living, dining, bedroom, kitchen, and toilet and bath areas of these units are designed by Tang Studio Limited, award-winning Hong Kong-based interior planner known for developing luxury living and commercial spaces in Asia. The fully furnished units will have a smart TV with rack, dining set, and bed with mattress and bedside tables, among others. With a designer, life-ready home at Mandani Bay Quay Tower 3, a resident simply has to move in when their unit is ready. For those who want more freedom to customize their space, 2-bedroom and bigger units are handed over semi-furnished. The fully furnished homes at Mandani Bay Quay Tower 3 are not the only first in the new property. Developer HT Land enriches life in the community through a dedicated app that activates advanced accessibility features. With just 1 tap, a resident can book amenities, settle property fees, manage visitor access, and control their main door's Bluetooth lock set. These advancements at home deepen the way a resident experiences the benefits of living in Mandani Bay's expansive master plan community. Never has condo living in Cebu been this exclusive, secure, and elegant. Embrace seamless, elevated urban living in a world-class lifestyle destination through Mandani Bay Quay Tower 3.